hello, namaskara. Are you guys wondering why I did not let the countdown to be completed and I just came away suddenly? I should have let the countdown to be completed, right? Like 3, 2, 1, 0, and then I should have entered. I didn't let the time go according to its plan. That is because the same time, did not let any of us go according to our plan. We all thought we will have a pretty great time at the college. We all thought we would enjoy this academic year. The final years thought they would attend every day of their final semester and make huge and great and best memories. But time had other plans for us. This global pandemic, this sudden issue of COVID-19, which came from nowhere, apparently that nowhere being China, has ruined all of our plans. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ COVID-19 ಇಶ್ಯೂ ತಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, there is one saying, if people have to show love, if people have to show gratitude, if people have to make someone happy, there would be no limitation, there would be no barrier affecting. ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರನ್ನ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಂತೆ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಎನಿ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್, ಎನಿ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಶಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್, ಎನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಸ್ from showering love to you, our final year friends. So that is why, in behalf of Dayanand Sagar Junior Business School, in behalf of the students, staff, teachers, I'm welcoming you all, the final year students and all others, for this virtual farewell event, the online farewell event. There is this English song alva, memories bring back memories anta. There is this English song and people use this as a trend to make videos. People added in photos, made collages of their childhood and brought back their memories and made videos of it and uploaded it on TikTok. I'm sorry, but 2 minutes of silence after this show for all the TikTok fans out there. But yeah, let us do something of that sort now. Just go back to 3 years in time for your first day at Dayanand Sagar campus. Remember the first day memories, the first teacher who took your class. Remember the first classroom where you were all seated, the first subject which you had to face, the first classroom, the first class teacher you had, the first subject teacher who came to your class, the first benchmate you were having. Nim pakka yaar kootidru first day, first hour. Just imagine, is he still my friend, is she still my friend, or have we drifted apart anta. Just go back in your memory lane for the first day of Dayanand Sagar. I'm sure you all have a smile on your face now. Yes, that is what is memories anta. So degree life is the best life antare. So I'm sure all of you have enjoyed the same degree life in a very unique way and all of you have made your own memories. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ, ನಾವಿವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವೋ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗೂ ತುಂಬಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದಿನಾ ಬಯಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನು ಗುರು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲಗ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಮೊದಲು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಲೂ ಯಾರು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ. ಈವನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್. But that is fine. Let us virtually visit the campus in our memories. I request all of you to just, think over the campus of all the memories you've had and let us begin this farewell event. Now, let us have our principal sir, Nagaraj Shenoy sir, to have a few words about this farewell event and of all the pretty seniors. Let us hear him wish all our pretty seniors.
My dear students, at the outset, let me congratulate you for completing your graduation. Now, you are coming out of your day-to-day lessons, assignments, tests and term and exams. Now you are entering a real world where you need to face tougher exams, endless assignments and everyday lessons. Moreover, here you need to take tests for unclear and unknown questions. This is why even if you complete your degree, your education should not stop. In fact, it should begin from now on. Hence, you need to work hereafter with a more zeal, dedication and hard work to pass in the examination of real life. So, always be curious, inquisitive and responsible. Bring laurels to your parents, your teachers, your society. I wish you all the best and wish you success in all your future endeavors. Have a bright future and thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was our principal, Nagraj Shenoy, sir, giving out his message, giving out his wishes to the graduating batch, to the final year students. That was nice and emotional speech of you, sir. Thank you so much. To all the final year students, what I'm asking you is just think over the freshers day you people had. Just think over the orientation you people had. You were all freshers then. You had seniors, you had super seniors then. But today, you are the seniors, you are the super seniors. I'm just telling you this so that you feel that you have grown in this college. And today, it is not your freshers day, but it is your farewell. I'm just telling you this because to let you all know that this has been a great journey. This has been a long journey of 3 long years in this college. You've been a fresher, you've been a senior, you've been a super senior, and today you're receiving your farewell. You've had connect with everyone. The college has a unique connect with every one of you. The teachers, the students, the HODs, all of them share a unique bonding with every one of you. So does our HODs. So let me have our HODs giving out their message, giving out their wish to you people. So firstly, let me have Murugesh sir, head of the department BCom, to give out his message.
Hi everyone. One more batch is flying out of the college. I wish you all the very best and success for your future endeavors. We are going to miss this batch and we are going to remember this batch due to this pandemic, corona disease. Your batch will be remembered for the teamwork that you have done, the spirit that you have shown, and cohesiveness that you brought in the college over here. You brought laurels and majority of the trophies came from your batch to the college. And good scoring also present in the batch. You'll be remembered for all the good and bad things also. I wish you all the best and success for your future endeavors. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರಿ, ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರಿ, ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ, ಸೀಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಟಿ ಹೊಡಿತೀವಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Show that energy, show the same energy now in the comment section. Drop down your clap emojis, your whistle emojis, and thank Murugesh sir for giving out this wonderful speech. Thank you so much, sir. I'm sure the final years would have liked and would have felt emotional on your wishes. Thank you so much, sir. And so now let us have the BBA HOD Suplab sir giving out his message, giving out his best wishes for the graduating batch.
My dear graduating students, during your life in this college, we believe we have given you the necessary tools, academic, moral, and spiritual support. We will pray that you use these tools efficiently and effectively in your life ahead. I sincerely thank you for the love, respect, support, and care that I have received from you. I think I have received more than I could give. If I have hurt you in any way, please forgive me. Leave all the negative feelings and experiences here and take only good memories with you. May your dreams and dreams of your parents come true. Render dedicated service to humanity and live a happy and peaceful life. May God bless you. Wish you all the very best in life. Stay connected.
Oh, what you thought it's going to be only formal events, huh? No way, chance illa. Hi guys, my name is Sumant, and if you don't know who I am, then you really should have paid some attention in college. Okay, that was creepy. Anyways, to set the mood right now, our music team has curated an amazing song just for you. Here, take a look.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन दिल लग चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती, और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे। दम दरे दम दरे दम दरे दम दरे दम दा दम दरे दम दरे दरे दम 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 दरे दम दरे दम दरे दम दरे दम दा दम दरे दम दरे दरे दम दम दम। ಕಥೆಯೊಂದ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬರೀ ಗುರುತು ಬಡೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಿನ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲದೆ ಗುರುತೊಂದನು ನಾಗೀಚಿದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿನ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ। ದಂದರೆ 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 ದಂದ ದಂದರೆ ದಂದರೆ ದರೆ ದಂ ದಂ ದಂ। ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೆರಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣೆ, ರಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ। ದಂದರೆ 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 ದಂದ ದಂದರೆ ದಂದರೆ ದರೆ ದಂ 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 ದಂದರೆ 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 ದಂದ ದಂದರೆ ದಂದರೆ ದರೆ ದಂ ದಂ ದಂ।
Damdare, damdare, damdare. Oh, you guys are here. I didn't see. I mean, I'm just mesmerized by that voice, dude. I don't think anyone can do that. Thank you, Music Club. Now, moving on, we have a particular video from Special Club of Juniors who want to give out a message. Now, let me help you guess which club this is. It starts with public and ends with peaking. Okay, I think I gave way too much. Anyways, the Public Speaking Club has made a video just for you. Here, take a look.
Hey guys, I know 2020 didn't go as planned and this farewell also didn't go as planned, but I really hope you guys have an amazing future ahead, and we as your juniors are incredibly inspired by you guys, so we really look up to you guys, and yeah, hope you have an amazing time, and please don't forget us.
ಹಾಯ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ 3 years ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಫ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ 1 yearಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗಿನ್ನೂ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ 1 yearಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಫ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ನೇಚರ್ಡ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅವರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಅವರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಐ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್. So good memories. Thank you so much for everything, guys. Have a great future ahead. Thank you. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Dear seniors, I know we haven't been able to spend much time together because of this pandemic, but this is what life is, and sometimes unexpected things happen and you can't do much about it, but you just have to accept it with grace. So I just want to thank you guys for always believing in us, for supporting us when no one else did, for getting us attendance even though we didn't attend the practice sessions, and for always letting us have fun during the serious discussion times. So finally, I just want to thank you guys for making us a part of your family, and I pray that your dreams get bigger, your worries get smaller, and you never get burdened more than what you can carry. And as much as it hurts, we all know that endings are inevitable, and because that we just have to say our goodbyes to you. So thank you, and I just pray that once a point in your life when you just turn back and look at the memories which you have in your life, it just puts a smile on your face, and all the worries and problems you have at the time just fades away. So thank you, and please know that this will always be your home and we'll surely miss you.
ಹಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೇಲಿ ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪದಗಳು ಸಾಲದು. ಇನ್ನು 2020 ಏನೇನು ಕಾಯ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡೈಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋದೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಹಸ. ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಹತ್ತಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿ. ಆ ನಾಯ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಆ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿರ್ಬೇಡ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೇನೋ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಒಂದು 50% ಆಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಾಗಲ್ವೇ, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿನ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. Definitely Dayanand Sagar College will miss its best students, and we will miss our best seniors. All the best for your exam.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಸಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಬಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಆ ದಿನಗಳು, ಆ ಕ್ಷಣ, ಆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಹಾಯ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತು, ಕಮಿಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡೈಲಾಗು, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆ ನೋವು, ಅದೇ ಲೇಸು, ಅದೇ ಕಿಟ್ಕ್ಯಾಟು, ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಫೈಟು, ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿಯಿಂದ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತೆ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಯು ಸೀನಿಯರ್.
Wow, thank you Public Speaking Club, that was an amazing video. Now before we move on to the next segment, I just like to give a disclaimer that all of the coming up videos have been shot under safe environments before lockdowns were imposed and with great precaution. So I'm just giving you heads up about that. Now since that's out of the way, let's just move on with the next segment. Now to dance their hearts away and literally break a leg, our dance team has curated a video just for you. Here it is.
बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो.
उड़ती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो।
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I didn't.
Well, this is a token of gratitude from the dance team to all the seniors. I am Varsha Renukumar from the BCom department. And now, to add some fun and laughter to this day, Theatre Club has come up with a wonderful play to entertain all of you. And not only entertain, but also to take you on a roller coaster ride of emotions.
ಬ್ರೋ ಇನ್ನು 3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಏ ಲೀವ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಬ್ರೋ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪೊಚ್ಚಿಂಕಿ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಬ್ರೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ವಾಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ?
ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಬ್ರೋ?
ಏ ಲೀವ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಡೌನ್ 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 ಡೌನ್. ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್.
ಬ್ರೋ ಇನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
ಏ ಲೀವ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಲೀವ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಲೀವ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ತಗೋ ಟಿಕೆಟು, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ.
ಏ ಲೀವ್.
Congrats on your graduation.
Thanks. You know what? I'm gonna go to Australia to get my master's. It's a master's degree at the University for Masters, okay? You know what? My dad knows all the companies in Australia. Like, he's worked in all of the companies that are there in Australia, right? You know what? My father is so rich, he gave a scholarship to the university for taking me in. Dude, visa? I'm practically half Australian. Do you know that? Do you know that?
Yeah. Cheers, mate. Cheers. Cheers.
You know what? The swimming pool and all is nice, but in a few months, I'll be swimming in the Great Barrier Reef in Australia.
Hugh Jackman. Is that right? Hugh Jackman. Yeah, Hugh Jackman.
You know what? I wanted to go to Sydney this month, but what if I start another fire, right? student scoring 98% in overalls. Please welcome on stage Miss Jyoti.
Hey, what ma? Why are you leaving stage? Stand properly for photo. Hey, this button only, no? To click photo.
ಅದೇ ಬಟನ್. Take a proper beautiful photo. Hey, why are you leaving stage again? Wait, I have to take one more photo for Deepa auntie. Her son will get 95% it seems. Take, my daughter got 98%.
Hello? Yeah, I'll call you back, right? Yeah, thank you. Charge. Okay. Yeah, it's an easy deal. Yeah, I'll get it done. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, thank you. ಮಲ್ಗಿರೋದು ನೋಡು ಎದ್ದೇಳೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೋ
I know my future. Yeah, dude, I really think people should invest in that 2.5% equity share from SBI, dude. That has the most number of outflows, and I think there's going to be a lot of appreciation in the year 2028. Because as I've seen, the SIP plan is much more better in that one, and it gives a much more profit than any other plan that I've seen right now. So why are not people not investing in that? I know my future. That is what my future will render, bro.
Mom, did you know that SBI is giving 25% mutual fund equity share? It's going to be really profitable in the future, okay? It's going to be 25% appreciation in the year 2025.
And that 25% SBI equity share is going to be amazingly useful for you in the next 25 years.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ₹1,000 ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಗೋಬಿ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋದ ವಾರ.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up. Run.
ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೇನೋ ಆ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸು, ಆ ಫನ್ನು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸು, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾನೆ? ಕಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನು ಗೇಮು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತೀರಾ.
Wow, the last emotional cake was totally unexpected. Emotions play a different role in our lives, and friends are missed now and then because they play an important role in our lives. Hoping this act moved you all, I would also like to extend our gratitude to Mr. Harish Naidu for helping us and giving us an extra hand in the technical work. And now, we went through a lot of shows such as music, dance, and a play. Now is the most awaited and the colorful show being the fashion show.
I was heading for a small disaster before you came round. ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could gain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. And my soul beats the sound, loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow.
I saw you guys. You guys are awesome. We had some great, time together. Personally, Lohit, architecture blocks, I know. Good guy. Fauzan, dance and all that, I like it. Nida to PU से बोलना नहीं है. Fauzan तो savior. चूतिया गाय. मानस वो ये तो मॉडल है भाई, जूनियर मॉडल है हमारा. आरव शेट्टी हो भाई, मेरे से ज़्यादा पैसे पे दे रहे. और ये तो बड़ा प्यारा है, बहुत प्यारा है. लाइक स्टार्टिंग से ओनली आई यूज्ड टू लाइक हिम. आता है, बात करता है एंड ऑल दैट. ग्रेट. सृष्टि, नॉटी. मैं अरे नॉटी नॉट इन दैट सेंस. नॉटी मतलब दोस्त. या नॉटी टाइप. ओके, हर्षिता, known you from JNC walk. And yeah, you JNC group was like really great. We had some fun there. Yeah. नहीं बता. Deepika, sorry about the recent things. That was not my own. Yeah, good. And yeah, I've seen you perform for CP as well. You're great. Nancy. क्या बोलूं. बहुत अच्छे से हमने परफॉर्म किया था. बहुत सारे शोज किए थे, मुझे याद भी नहीं है.
Nida was the one who taught me how to walk, and you selected me. I thought like I don't fit here. Like actually, Vishtala, Joel, Agitira, you guys are so dumb. I thought like fashion team another level and
Nancy, my partner from second year, Faizan and Fardin joined me. I see the quality in Srishti, who always take, and she gets worried, whatever it is. Yeah, and I had a good time with Manas, Akash, and CB also, even with Deepika too, Shravani also, Firor, and inter colleges, even Apogis. It's been so good time with you guys. Love you all. Thanks, man.
तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे यारो. दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है. कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार. कोई तो हो राज़दार.
All the way from bold and beautiful walks to the stream of memories. Before we start off with this, I would like to say Fashion Team Juniors did a wonderful job of bidding farewell to their seniors in the most innovative way. Wow, well done, Fashion Team. Moving on to idina start madakinta munche, I just want to tell, just in case if we haven't included anyone or excluded any of the important memories, we apologize. You'll always be loved and missed. I know it's a time of crisis. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನ ನಾವೆಷ್ಟು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ವರೆಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಿರಿಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್, ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಯ್ತದ್ದು ಬುದ್ಧ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ ಬಿಡಲ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮರೀಸೇ. ಆ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್ನ ರೀವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈವ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಲೇನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ಕಥೆಯೊಂದ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬರಿ ಗುರುತುಗಳೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಿನ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ವಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲದೆ ಗುರುತೊಂದನು ನಾಗೀಚಿದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿನ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್, ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣೆ, ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೆರಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್, ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣೆ, ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನನ್ನಾಣೆ. ದಮ್ದರೆ 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 ದಮ್ದ ದಮ್ದರೆ ದಮ್ದರೆ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದಮ್ ದಮ್. என் ஃப்ரெண்ட போல யாரு மச்சான், அவன் ஃப்ரெண்ட எல்லாம் மாத்தி வச்சான். நீ எங்க போன எங்க மச்சான், என எண்ணி எண்ணி எங்க வச்சான். நட்பால நம்ம நெஞ்ச தச்சான், நம் கண்ணில் ஈர பொங்க வச்சான். పాదమెటుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా, చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా, గుండె ప్రతిలయలోన నేను లేనా, ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way. Dum dare, dum dare, dum dare, dum dare, dum da, dum dare, dum. Dum dare, dare dum dum dum. Dum dare, dum dare, dum dare, dum dare, dum da. Dum dare, dum dare, dare dum dum dum. ಕಥೆಯೊಂದ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬರಿ ಗುರುತುಗಳೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಿನ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ವಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲದೆ ಗುರುತೊಂದನು ನಾಗೀಚಿದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿನ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ದಮ್ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದ ದಮ್ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದರೆ ದರೆ ದಮ್ ದಮ್ ದಮ್. From where we began,
you know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I'll tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling stronger. What's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. For the last
So let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home.
Yes, that was your memory video. I'm sure many of you would have gone down through your memory lane and got remembered of all such good stuffs, all such good memories that you spent here at the Anand Sagar. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೇರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಥ ಆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅಪೋಜಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಲೇನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸನ್ನು, ಆ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು, ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೆಟ್ ಟಫ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫರ್ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, we have come to the end of this farewell event. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಬೈತಿದ್ದಂಥ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸು, ನೀನು ಅಪ್ರಯೋಜಕ ಕಣೋ ಅಂತ ಬೈತಿದ್ದಂಥ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದು ನಗುಮುಖದಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ they're being extra sweet, I can tell you. They're coming up and they're wishing all the students of the graduating batch, ನಮ್ಮ ದಯಾನಂದ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ DSJBS ಇನ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ are now here. In this video, they'll be wishing the seniors, they'll be wishing the graduating batch. So let us see their wishes.
Hi, good morning everybody. I wish you all the best for your future. It's been a great pleasure to be coordinator and great experience that we had a good time in second year, third semester and the fourth semester BCom. Thank you so much. Remember us. Wish you all the best.
Hello students. All the best. Have a bright future. Thank you.
ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರುವ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
A warm hello to all my dear students. I hope all of you are keeping well. I know this is not the kind of farewell that you were looking forward. Neither were we planning to conduct such a kind of a farewell. But believe me, dear students, the intensity and the depth of our blessings and wishes shall always remain the same. I implore each student to be the good ambassador of this college. Dear student, let no selfish interest tarnish your character or your integrity in any manner, in any phases of your life. I wish every student a bright future. Dear student, please remember, in your life, first you must be a good human, because that is what matters and that is what is going to take you to a success. Stay safe, stay very, very safe, and always keep in touch with us. It is time to say goodbye, but goodbye not forever. Goodbye is not the end, it is just a means to say we will miss you until we meet you next. Thank you, one and all. God bless you.
Unforgettable, cherished, and everlasting memories ever marked in my life. A beautiful journey unfolded from inaugural to farewell. A bondage of love which doesn't end at college corridor of graduation. It is everlasting. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದೇ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಲವ್ ಯು, ಮಿಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Hi aspirants, final year aspirants BB and BCom. I just can't believe that all of you are going to graduate, and I'm very happy and immense pleasure to see that flagging you off into the outside world. And I know that all of you are going to be fantastic individuals, and I wish you all the luck and love from my side. All the good luck charms, and never ever give up. Thank you.
Hello all, hope you're all safe. Due to COVID-19, we are having this online Alvida. Don't worry about your exams, results, future. Everything will be alright. Being a responsible citizen, we definitely have to support India. Whatever may be the situation, let us accept and adjust. We'll face it boldly. Don't ever forget your parents and your teachers. All the very best for your future. This is Neha signing off.
Wishing you all a happy farewell. All the best for your future endeavors. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello guys, this batch is special as you have proved that you are good both at academic and non-academic activities. Your batch's foundation for all the clubs in the department. Will surely miss you, especially all the student activity cell members, and I should not forget to mention one name here, that is Prasanna, the backbone of all the activities in the department. Will surely miss you all. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Never give up. All the best.
We wish you all the best for your future.
Yes, that was a very sweet gesture by all of our faculties. ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಪಾಠನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 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 ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ನಡೆದು ಪಾಸ್ಔಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ wholeheartedly for coming up and sending in their best wishes to the graduating batch. I'm sure the graduating batch ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಮಯ. Trust me, I'm sure that you would have never expected of this kind of a farewell. Neither did we expect that we would give this kind of a farewell to you. Neither did we want to give. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರೆಸಿ ಒಂದು ಧಾಮ್ ಧೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ PC ಸಾಗರ್ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ falling in the hands of the current situation, this is the most we could do. But whatever we have done with full enthusiasm, with full with full passion. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ, ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೆದುರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದಾಗ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್, ಒನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. We will meet at the college, we will pass a smile at each other, and with a tight hug we will look into your eyes and say, we will miss you. We are waiting to do that. We are waiting to meet you in person. We are waiting to wish you all the best. We want to tell you that we'll miss you, and I'm sure that will happen in a very near future. But for now, this was the farewell event. All of you have showed us nothing but love and affection. Many of you are great people to hang out with. And from DSJBS, from the students and from the staff and from the whole of the Anand Sagar institution, we wish you all a very best and a very good luck. Oh yes, this is it, the online farewell event. I thank every one of you for staying up till here and watching the farewell till the end. And I'm sure we'll meet up again, and from the side of the Anand Sagar institutions, from the faculties at DSJBS and from your juniors, we wish you all a very best and a very good luck, and hope to see you very soon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you